He's videoing.
Stand over there and do a wind up and a pitch.
Do your wind up.
No, you have to throw the ball. Go over there. Do the wind up and the pitch. And Daddy will hit a home run.
Do your wind up. Throw it. Good.
Go get it. Go get it. Get the ball.
I'm running the bases, Dad.
Now scoop it up with your glove. It's over there. Pick it up and then do another pitch. All right. Stand in front of the door. Stand over there and pitch one more.
That's okay. Can you pitch again?
Stand over there and pitch again. All right. Look at Daddy. Whoops. Good job. All right. Look at Dad. Do the wind up and the pitch. Can you pitch it and Daddy will hit a home run? Almost. Pitch a home run. Oh, strike!
Don't slide out here. You'll hurt yourself.
Yay! All right, now can you pitch a strike? The wind up.
He has like a lefty wind up.
Home run!
Careful, don't slide. Safe.